Hi, John with AWN discussing authorization and signatures. Every repair order must be signed by the customer at the initial write-up. The file copy must be signed when the vehicle is delivered to the customer. All add-on repairs must be written on the hard copy of the repair order directly adjacent to the problem description. Individual add-ons must be verified, inspected, and signed by service management, and must include the date and time of authorization. Customers must be notified of all add-on repairs with the time and date noted on the RO. Finally, repair orders and dealership inventory must be signed by one of the following: the dealer principal, the dealer general manager, the sales manager, or the service manager.